So I realized a lot of y'all haven't really got to see this car in action. So today I'm gonna put the GoPro on and I'm gonna let y'all see exactly what it looks like to drive this car, what it sounds like, everything like that. Next video, I'll probably do something a little crazier. But just so y'all can see exactly what I'm working with. So first, let's start the car up. Of course, up front, if it's your first time tuning in, don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss this. Then of course we got this going on here too. Of course, if this is your first time tuning in, or if you're a returning viewer, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned. Put them bell notifications on because we're gonna keep it going. Y'all can hear it. Y'all can probably hear it's pretty loud. Do too much, but I'm gonna try to show y'all at least a couple pulls, so that way y'all can see again what everything looks like in the car. Before, but it's crazy now. Really take some pictures. I haven't took no pictures in a while. In fact, let me roll up that window, so I don't want too much wind noise in it neither. The car is just flying right now. Oh my goodness. Definitely moving there. Shit. Sheesh. I had to short shift like every one. I had to merge kind of quick because sheesh, the cars were coming in kind of quick. I wasn't expecting that. It looked like it was clear all until I started merging. As soon as I got to the middle, I see a car, I step on the halfway. Car was going a little bit too fast, a little faster than I thought it was gonna go. And yeah, that was that. It's too much traffic. And now we're in traffic. So how much y'all want to bet? See, this is the problem with running like oil breathers, is that yeah, you get like less crankcase pressure, but oh, of course, people are the worst. You see me backing up, you see me. But because I can smell it, the problem with breathers a lot of the times, which is, and I'm going to a catch can pretty soon, but the problem is they leak oil. So this thing's leaking oil from the breather, and I bet it's this one. Oh, I lied. Look, the kind of smoke. See, oil came out. It's basically smoking because of the oil. It's fine though. but it's just like vapors, basically, oil vapors. Same thing on this side, it's oil vapors. It's basically how it works. But usually, a lot of people say after doing pulls, they'll see it'll be really messy under the hood, and oil will leak everywhere. Now, luckily, I'm not having that problem. I had the problem with oil leaking with the PCVs, the car. So it definitely feels like it's running right. Only time will tell if she's really running right or not. And the only way I'll be able to tell is, you know, a little Mexico action or some Atco action. Right, and that is it for the video. Just a quick video I wanted to make for everybody who, whoever wondered what it looked like inside. Just doing like, I wasn't going too crazy or nothing like that. Just making sure the car ran well. It seems like it's running well. Not going full, like I said, I'm not going full send on every pull there, so don't think that that's the full potential of the car, because it's not. But of course, I am looking for a drag pack right now, most likely, and I'll be taking it to the track. So hopefully you'll get some races, some track races too, so you can see that. If you enjoyed this video, like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Browse the channel for more, and most importantly, have a